guys. So like I said, I haven't been making a lot of daily recaps. It's almost oxymoronic at this point, just because I'm just so busy with personal stuff that I'm dealing with this year and whatnot. But I did have two good clean trades today, so I want to go over those. The first one is ILMN. This is some sort of biotech company, etc. And so just want to go over this. So the stock, it dropped massively yesterday actually. So this is actually the daily chart for ILMN. As you can see, it dropped yesterday. Maybe you can't see it that well on the daily chart, but on the 60-minute aftermarket, bad earnings, etc., dropped all the way down to 168. And then this morning, for whatever reason, it just popped way back up. And that's when I took it. And the reason why I took it is because if you look at the levels, it's always about the levels. Now I'm going to go find my chart, 15-minute chart where I have the levels. Hovered it right around R5, started to look like it got weak. The 5-minute, you can see here, there's a doji, a reverse, kind of like a hammer doji. And then I took it here, but it did pop a bit, and then you can see the pretty big red candle. Again, another long wick from the upside downwards, another hammer. So I felt pretty comfortable in this position, and it wasn't a big size just because the stock is so, the spread is so wide, and also the fact that this stock is pretty pricey. I took a small size, but I still made a pretty decent profit off of this, because if you think about this, I took it right around 193-ish, high 193, like 193.92 or somewhere around there. And it went all the way down. I wanted to get out at close to VWAP, but I just noticed that there's this level of support here. So I put it right around, slightly below the level of support, and as it dropped, that's where I got out. And so I covered it. It did go down a bit more than that. So yeah, anyway, it is what it is, but this is several points if you look at this. The other stock is YETI. YETI had some mixed results today, but for whatever reason, the market is crazy. It still popped up. Looking at the 15-minute, you can see it's way above all the Camarilla pivots. So I played it similarly. I did a reversal on it. Saw this wick engulfing on the 5-minute. So I took it on a short side. It dropped down to VWAP. I got out some. I actually set some levels way down because this stock was up like 20-something%. I thought I was going to make a couple points downward move, but it only made like about a point or so. So covered some here. I covered some at VWAP. I covered some here, and then it looks like it was going to hang around this range. That's when I got all out, and now it looks like it's probably going to go back up for a bit. It may drop further, but we'll see. But that's it. Those are my trades for the day. Sorry for the rant. I'm not used to talking about my trades anymore. So hope you guys liked it and learned something from it. All right, peace out.